Hey guys, Stephanie here. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, guys, I'm going to show you all how I went from this to this. These styles are super cute and easy to achieve. And if you guys want to see how I created them, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so I washed my hair the night before and I just applied a little bit of hair moisturizer and oil. And I know my hair is looking a little bit rough, but trust me, my hair doesn't feel as dry as it may look on camera. So to begin styling, I just ran my hair under some water. For me personally, I like to style my hair while it's soaking wet. It's just much more easier for me to work with. And taking my rat tail comb, I'm going to create my middle part and proceed to style my hair in sections. I would advise when creating this hairstyle that you work with your hair in sections if you want to achieve a nice and sleek finish. And I also make sure to keep a spray bottle handy because like I said, I like to style my hair while it's soaking wet. So starting with the back section, I'm just going to take a wide tooth comb and make sure that my hair is nice and detangled before I apply my gel. And for my gel today, I'm going to use my Eco Styler gel, of course, and this is the crystal one. And I'm going to take a generous amount and run it along that section and follow up with my Demon brush to further detangle my hair and make sure that everything is nice and smooth. Once I'm done with that section, I'm pretty much going to do the same thing with the other side. And as you apply your gel, don't forget to touch the roots and nape area. You want to make sure that everything is laying nice and flat and sleek. And to further smooth everything out, I'm going to switch over to my board bristle brush and go over that section one last time. And once I'm done with that section, I'm going to take my hair tie and tie the hair in place. Now that we're done with the back, we're going to move on to the next section, and I'm pretty much going to repeat those same steps. Wet the hair first to make sure that it's nice and damp. Then I apply my gel and follow up with my Demon brush to further distribute the product all over the hair and to detangle the section. And lastly, I switch over to my board bristle brush to further smooth out that section. And whenever I'm done with that section, I'm going to use that same hair tie to secure both the front and back sections in place. So I know to some this may seem like a bit much, but this is really the only part of the hairstyle that is a bit tedious. And even so, in all, it takes me on average about 10 to 15 minutes to achieve, which is still pretty good on time. So once I've completed all these sections, I'm now going to remove the hair tie, and instead I'm going to use my elastic hairband to create my ponytail. I personally like to use elastic hairbands as opposed to hair ties because it creates less tension on the hair, and I'm also able to get a better grip on my hair to create more of a sleek look. And once I have that ponytail in the back, I'm just going to create a little bit of baby hairs on the side. I'm not going to go overboard, but I personally think baby hairs are so cute. And lastly, I'm just going to take my hair tie and put my ponytail into a bun. And don't be alarmed by the white residue, that's just the product, but once my hair dries, I promise you it's going to dry clear. Okay guys, so this part is optional, but I'm going to take a headscarf and further tie the hair down. This is an extra step that I like to do to further assure that my hair stays nice and flat throughout the entire day. So I would recommend, if you have some downtime, approximately 10 to 15 minutes, that you just take this extra step to do. Alright, so it's finally time to move on to the ponytail, and I received mine from HerGivenHair, and this is the packaging that the hair came in. It's super cute and sturdy, and along with the packaging, it comes with extra clips, a product description card, and a pamphlet that informs you on how to maintain and upkeep the hair. So I picked up my Drawstring Ponytail in the texture Coily and 18 inches. And just to loosen up the curls a bit, I just co-washed the hair beforehand and followed up with my Shea Moisture Curly Hands and Smoothie to further define the curls. Okay, so now it's finally time to install this baby, and look how flat that ponytail is looking. Ooh, looks so good. So the drawstring ponytail, it also comes with a top clip and bottom clip and the drawstring part, of course. So to install this ponytail, I'm gonna secure both the top clip and bottom clip on my bun. And once I have both clips secured, I'm gonna take the drawstring to tighten that ponytail. So as you continue to pull and tighten that drawstring, you'll also feel the ponytail tighten around your bun and it'll feel more secure. And once I have my ponytail in place, I'm gonna take my bobby pin, attach it to the end of my drawstring, wrap the string around nice and tight, and pin it down. And lastly, in order to further blend my hair with the ponytail, I'm just gonna take a small piece of hair and wrap it around the ponytail just to conceal any gaps or tracks that may be peeping through. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for the first hairstyle. A sleek, low bun with a middle part. I absolutely love this hairstyle. I do it all the time, and the ponytail also blends in with my natural hair so well. Alright, so moving on to hairstyle number 2, I'm just going to remove the drawstring ponytail and my hair tie. And to begin, I'm just going to wet over my hair. This is going to help reactivate the gel, and it's also going to be easier for me to manage my hair. So taking my wide tooth comb, I'm just going to comb both the front and the back of my hair to create a high bun. And I'm going to follow up with my Denman brush to further smooth everything down. And lastly, I'm gonna go over the base of my hair with my boar bristle brush. You already know I like for my hair to lay down nice and flat. And next, I'm gonna use that same elastic hairband to create my ponytail. And taking my scrunchie, I'm gonna grab the remaining hair to wrap it around and create a high bun. And you already know I gotta have those baby hairs, of course, so I'm just touching them up real quick to make sure that they're nice and neat. And it's now time to apply our drawstring ponytail. So just using that same concept, I'm going to secure both the top clip and the bottom clip to my bun. And once I have both clips in place, I'm gonna tighten that drawstring again and wrap it around and pin it down. And to create that high bun, I'm taking another elastic hairband, and I'm gonna act like I'm putting my hair in a ponytail, but I'm not gonna pull the hair all the way through the band. I'm gonna stop towards the end and leave that remaining hair out and wrap it around my ponytail to create my high bun. This technique is very simple to do, it's very quick, and just to neaten that high bun up, I'm just gonna take a couple of bobby pins to secure the hair in place. And lastly, I'm gonna take a rat tail comb, and using that tail part of it, I'm just going to pick out the bun in places to make sure that it's nice and even. And that is it for hairstyle number 2, a high top knot bun. Another super cute hairstyle that is quick, simple, and easy to achieve in 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, so that's all for this video. I really hope that you all enjoyed this, and thank you so much to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. And if you all enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to comment, share, and subscribe to my channel before you leave. Give me a big thumbs up, and as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.